With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. Let there are two functions defined of fx is equals to minimum of mod x and mod of x minus 1. On the basis of the above information, answer the following question, which is point of non-differentiability of function in -1 to 1 open interval. So basically this is the function. We have to find the minimum of these functions mod x and mod of x minus 1. Here I'm going to solve this thing. First of all, I'm going to make the function. So it is given to us fx is equals to minimum of mod x comma x minus 1 to the mod. Okay, so we have to make the graph of this and this. So I'm going to make the graphs. So here I'm taking simple axis, and this is my mod x graph I'm making here. Okay, so this must be the graph of mod x. Okay, now I'm going to make the graph of mod of x minus 1. So you can see here, if I put in place of x as 0, then it will give me 0 minus 1. If I assume this is my y function, y2 function, let's suppose this is my y1 function, and this graph for y1 function. Okay, so y2 is equals to mod of 0 minus 1 on putting x is equals to 0. So it will be simply 1, because minus 1 mod on minus 1, it will become 1. Okay, so that's why it should cut on 1. So therefore I'm going to make the graph. It will something look like this and this. Okay, now it should be similar. Okay, mirror image of another side. That's why I'm making it again. Yeah, this is the graph. Okay, now this point should be we have to check this point. So for checking this point, we should put y2 is equals to 0, because on this axis my y is 0. So y2 is equals to 0. It is 0 is equals to x minus 1 to the mod, and from here I can say that my x is equals to simply 1. Okay, so from here we can clearly say that this point is 1 comma 0. Okay, and this point is 0 comma 1. Okay, and here we have to check for the interval -1 to 1. So this is 1, and -1 interval, it should be -1 should be something over here. Okay, something over here, -1 comma 0. Okay, now moving further, you can clearly see that we have to find the non-differentiability point. Non-differentiability point are the points which are sharp. So when I make the graph of only this thing with the interval -1 to 1, it will be look like, let me draw the graph here again. So this is the axis, and it is my something -1, it is +1. Okay, and here it will be look like this, then this, and then this will happen. Okay, so this is the simple graph of our required function. Here you can see this should be the graph, this and this. Okay, this is the graph. Now you can clearly see that it is a sharp point, it is a sharp point, and it is a sharp point. So basically we cannot consider this point, we cannot consider this point, and we cannot consider this point. And also we have given that my function is defined in the interval -1 to 1 with the open bracket. That's why we cannot consider this -1 and this one. Okay, now here we can clearly see that other than -1 and 1, it is a sharp point. Okay, and it is a sharp point. So here you can see two sharp points are there, and question asked point of non-differentiability of fx. So here you can clearly see that this point must be 1/2. Okay, and we can say it is 1 by 2 comma 0. Okay, this is the point, and this is the origin, which is 0 comma 0. Okay, so we can say that it is non-differentiable at the point 0 and 1 by 2. Okay, when my x belongs 0 and minus 1 by 2, only 2 points. Okay, on that points it is non-differentiable in the interval minus 1 to 1. Hope you understood this point. So the number of non-differentiable points are 2. So I'm writing here non-differentiable points are 2 only. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.